everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make Agidi. Back home, Agidi, we eat it with fufu soup. There are two ways we can make Agidi. You can make some with sugar that you can eat like porridge, or you can eat it like snack. Then the other one, you will just make it plain with no sugar, so you can be able to eat it with your bitter leaf or your egusi soup or okra soup. So this is the corn in the pack. This one is a little bit bigger than this one. Okay, this is 2 cups I'm going to use. But when you want to make Agidi, you have to get the white corn, not the yellow corn. Okay, so this is the white corn. I got this from the flea market, and I got this one from the store. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to wash it. Guys, I'm going to put some water in it, and I'm going to leave it for like 24 hours to get soaked well. Okay, put as much water that you can put. Okay, if you have cover, just cover it. If you don't have, just use the, what's the name, the plastic wrap, and wrap it. Okay, that's what I'm going to use to wrap it and keep it aside for 24 hours. Then we'll eat. Okay, bye. See you. It's been 2 days. We're going to continue to make our Agidi. Okay, so this is the corn I soaked into water. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the water out. Okay, I'm going to wash the corn again, rinse it. It's soft a little bit now. Before it was very, very hard. Okay, so being 2 days, it's softening a little bit. Okay guys, I'm going to use my smoothie cup to blend it now. Add some water. Okay guys, my husband, can you help me please? Okay guys, on this side I have my siphon, and there is a sieve under. Okay, I'm going to continue the process. This is the last batch. Okay, See, this is the chaff. Okay. See? Okay. Keep it aside. Leave it to get settled, okay? So just keeping it aside, okay? Okay, guys, I'm stirring out the water. Okay. So we can have our cornstarch. Add the starch at the bottom, okay? Stir it well. So we're going now to the stove. We're going to pour this in the pot, okay? And start our cooking. Turn on the stove. You have to very be careful so that it won't burn. Some people just go ahead and get some cornstarch, put it in water and cook it. But for me, because of presentation wise, that's why I decided to make it from scratch. Okay, so you really know that you are eating corn. Okay guys, make sure you put your gas on medium heat, okay, and be gently mixing it, because you don't want your agidi to have lumps, okay. And did you see started cooking now? You see, it started coming together. To boil a little bit. Okay guys, it's almost ready now. Back home we eat some with sugar, Then we eat some with fufu soup. So I'm going to take some out now for the one I'm not putting sugar into. Okay, this one I'm going to put some sugar. Okay, I'm using brown sugar. Put sugar to your taste. Okay. They use banana leaf. Okay, but in this case I don't have banana leaf, so I'm going to use my foil. Okay. And leave it to get cold. This is the one with the sugar. Okay, the same thing. Set it aside to get cold. Okay. I just want to promote a friend of mine. She just started making this basket for different programs. This is for graduation. Did you see the graduation cap on this side? So this is for one of my fans that watch my videos all the time. So she graduated from high school. So I told the lady, just make me a basket. And I'm the first customer. So I told her I'm going to advertise it for you. It's just $30. Okay, guys? If you want it, just go down to my description box. The telephone number is right there. If you order it today, you get it tomorrow. Okay, guys? Let's support one another. Okay? We cannot live by ourselves. We help each other. Okay? So if you need it, just go to the description box. If you want it for graduation, you're going to get a cap. If you want it for birthday, you're going to get all the birthday stuff in it. Okay? If you need it for wedding too, she can do it. Okay, guys? So we come back to our Agidi. So this is the end product. This was the last one, guys. Oh, it looks so good. So this one is the one with no sugar. Okay. I'm so excited to see what is inside. Oh my God, we got it. Guys, it takes me back home. Agidi day. Hot Agidi day. In the morning, if you don't have cold fufu, you just grab your agidi and eat with your okra soup or bitter leaf soup. If you are in Nigeria again, you eat it with your ogu soup. So this is the one with the sugar, this one and this one. The one with the sugar in the morning when we buy it. Oh my God. This is the one with the sugar. Guys. Wow. Guys, you see? See, this is the one with the sugar. So back home, we just buy it like this and begin to dip into it, guys. See? Nigerian man say Abba. So good. So this with no sugar. Just get the soup. If it's stew, okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like,